Good morning everyone. So we're looking at my first or second ICE Watch review. I can't remember how many of these I've actually done. I'm actually wearing a watch I've done a review on recently, just to give it a go. It's the Limit 5750, I believe it was. Done a review of that, I think maybe a week or so ago. It should have premiered a week ago, but just give it a go, see it giving it a go. It's only sort of £20, but doesn't look too bad for the price. But right, for today's purposes, we're looking at the ICE Watch chronograph. So initially look at the box. A simple cardboard outside cover, orange and black theme, simple tucked in style lid. Let's just check that out. Like that. Just to reveal a nice blue style box. Kind of blends in with my mat really, which is, but we'll make it work. Inside the box just reveals a simple cardboardy inside interior, a simple cushion box as well. Nice thick cushion, very strong. So here we go guys, this is the ICE Watch Chrono 02142W. We've got a 40mm case diameter with a 12mm case thickness, and retails at £60 with a 60g weight, so it's not too heavy, it's quite a light watch in fact, and uses a full quartz movement. So let's move on to the face. So we've got a full mineral style glass going over the top of that. Let's take this cover off so you can see it in a lot more detail. Got a full mineral glass going over the top of that cover, and a sunray style dial, as you can see going on here. It follows the same sort of style sunray dial as a Sekonda Midnight. That's also on my channel if you want to have a look at that. Yeah, it's very small dial, but it looks smaller than it actually is. We've just got a date dial just tucked in between 4 and 5 PM. 12-hour or 24-hour readout there as well. So inside of the actual face, we've just got a nice little, slightly lighter blue inside casing there, just add a bit more detail, and a navy blue bezel outside. Let's have a look at the chronograph, at how it moves. Actually, let's have a look at the crown first, then have a look at the chronograph. Nice simple movement to the hands, not too flimsy. Third position, I'm getting third position. A nice well-defined clicking movement to the actual, to that date dial. Doesn't screw back in place, just clicks down. Let's have a look at the chronograph. Very nice defined double click to that movement. So let's stop that. Simple wind back function, nothing too, not a snap back function, so it's just nice wind back, simple movement. Nice 24-hour readout in here. It probably need a better eyesight than me just to be able to see those dials there in a bit more detail. Full luminous hands as well, and they're nice thick hands as well, making it stand out nicely on that nice blue face. The actual watch looks really nice on top of the that white sort of theme casing. That's a plastic casing outside here, not metal or anything like that. Waterproof to 10 atmospheres, and uses a full bioplastic casing. Full mirror finish metal stainless steel buttons and crown. Reflective plastic, really nice, makes it almost like an astronaut's watch really. It's got that sort of theme to it. Coming out to the strap, you've got a 20mm strap with these sort of segments on top of here. A nice blue segment here as well, just to add that little bit of blueness to the strap, making it not too overwhelming. All the way down to the holders, so we've got nice thick bioplastic holders on there, really hold onto that strap really nicely. Single window system. We've even got a two-tone style strap to this. It's blue and white, a blue underneath and white on top. You might be able to turn, you might be able to flip this actually. I don't think you can. Yeah, so a single window system here, no metallic enhanced inside there, but you have got indented holes allowing for no sort of stretch. So if it's just normal holes, they'll stretch over time, but if it's indented, usually they sit better inside the strap. Very nice mixture of blue and white inside the watch here. Looking at that back plate, got just a little more information about the watch on here. But yeah, its waterproofness is reference, even the direction you need to turn it to remove the plaque on the back. So there we go guys, that is the ICE Watch Chronograph.